Good afternoon. What I have for you guys today here is a C3, mid C3 rear impact bar assembly for 75 through 79s, if I'm not mistaken. This is a real nice piece. As you can see, no corrosion anywhere on it. As a matter of fact, the taillight housings are in good shape, no damage, no cracks. You can see the back side of this thing. It looks almost brand new. So if you're dealing with a car, it's got a rotten impact bar, got hit in the back, you need to rebuild it. This is about as close to a new old stock piece as you're probably going to find. You may be able to see part numbers are still intact on there, but just overall a real nice piece. The rubber bump strip is still installed. Everything's here, the end flaps, end flares, all that. So if you have a need for it, then give me a call. My name is Brian, 832-654-7367. I've been parting out Corvettes for almost 20 years, so I probably have what you need. If you don't see in this video, I may have some other parts that you're in need of. Give me a call if I can do anything for you. Thanks again.